Yes, good morning children. Welcome to the English class. So today we will continue the lesson number 6, that is adverb. So yesterday we discussed what in an adjective, what in an adverb and its kind. So today we will continue the exercise of this chapter. So student, first of all, you know very well what is an adverb. So adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb. Okay, it tells us how a thing is done, when it is done or where it is done. So adverb क्या होता है, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, क्रिया विशेषण. ओके स्टूडेंट, जो क्या करता है, वर्ब की क्या बताता है, वर्ब को क्वालिफाई करता है. हेयर वर्ब इज हेयर एज ए एक्शन वर्ड और डूइंग वर्ड हेयर. सो adverbs qualifies the verb. Okay, so they are the difference between adverbs and adjectives here. So adverbs qualifies the noun, qualifies the verb, and adjective qualifies the noun. So here the difference between adverbs and adjectives. So okay, let's start the exercise number 1. What, here are some adverbs of manners. Use each one to complete one of the sentences below. So before start the adverbs of manners, I am telling you that the what is the adverbs of manners is as a words, as a slowly, bravely. Yes, show how an action is done. Action किस तरीके से होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, adverbs of manners. So say the words, adverbs of manners are called and okay. So adverbs of manner answer the question how. जो adverbs of manners होते हैं वो आंसर क्या करते हैं, आंसर के किससे स्टार्ट होता है क्वेश्चन, how से. Now here they are given help box. Here the words are given here. So let's start the exercise. Number 1 is here, the hungry beggar ate the food. Yes, the food greedily. So here is the adverb here as a greedily. So now number second sentence, I had to shout dash to attract her attention. So students, so you notice that I had to shout loudly. Here loudly as a adverb here. Number third is here, Tony climbed the trees as dash as a monkey. So Tony climbed pada tree par chada, and so we here use a suitable adverb here as a quickly, means as jaldi, मतलब as quickly as a monkey. जैसे monkey जल्दी से चढ़ जाता है वैसे ही किसकी बात कर रहे हैं, as the Tony climbed the tree as quickly. Number fourth is here, there were no clouds, the sun shone brightly. यहाँ पर कोई भी बादल नहीं है, तो जो सन है जो चमका, कैसे चमका, yes brightly. Here you notice the student, one thing is here as ly. So here notice that when you in the word we use ly, this is also a adverb. Okay, it is a identification of adverb here. Now number fifth sentence, all the day the children played merely in the park. So here we use as a merely as a adverb in this sentence. Okay student, I hope you have to understood the exercise number 1. So let's start the exercise number 2. Now अंडरलाइन द एडवर्ब्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. ओके, हमको जो अंडरलाइन करने हैं, एडवर्ब्स करना है इन सेंटेंसेस में. पुट अ टिक इन द करेक्ट कॉलम टू शो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एडवर्ब ईच इज. तो हमको जो कॉलम्स दे रखे हैं उसमें हमको टिक करना है कि किस तरीके का एडवर्ब, एज एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर है, एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम है, या एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस है. एंड सर्कल द वर्ब with which the adverb is connected. और हमको क्या करनी है, सर्कल करनी है. किस पे सर्कल करना है, वर्ब पे हमको क्या करना है, सर्कल करना है. Okay, so let's start. So now in the number 1 sentence, we went to the concert yesterday. Here you notice that went here as a verb here. Yesterday we underlined yesterday. Yesterday here as a time. Now number second sentence, my father sat comfortably on the sofa and read the paper. Here you notice that sat as a verb here, and comfortably, yes, comfortably is a as an adverb of manner. Number third sentence, you must go out and see what has rung the bell. So here you notice go as a verb here, and out is a as a adverb of place. हमको पता है ना, adverb of place में आपको बताया था ना, एज ए हम यूज करते हैं एज ए आउट. जब हम बाहर की चीजें यूज करते हैं तो ये क्या यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे, एज ए एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस है. एज ए आउटसाइड है, एज ए देयर है, फॉरवर्ड है, एवरीवेयर है, एज ए आउट. सो इट इज ए एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. Now, number 4 sentence, dog follows his master faithfully. So here the verb is here as follows, and here the adverb is as a faithfully. So it is a manner. Why it is a manner? कि हमको ये तरीका बता रहा है किस तरीके से follow करता है. Yes, faithfully वो follow करता है. So it is a adverb of manner. Number 5th sentence, go and bring the chair here. So here bring as a verb and here as a adverb of time here. Okay, so here as a time of place here. Now number 6 sentence, the doctor is coming immediately. So here is coming, yes, in the verb chapter I told you before that is and coming. So is here as a helping verb, coming as a come as a main verb. Okay, so in the we use as a present continuous tense. A doctor is coming. So is coming is a verb here, and immediately as a time, as an adverb of time. Now number 7 sentence, the all the bedrooms are upstairs. So here we notice are as a verb here and upstairs as a place का जगह upstairs ऊपर जाना है ना, has a place, so it is a adverb of place. Number 8 is here, how beautifully she is dressed. So here how beautifully so here is dress as a verb here and beautifully as a adverb. Which kind of adverb here? Yes, it is a adverb of manner. उसने किस तरीके से ड्रेस पहनी, तो तरीका हमको बता रहा है. Yes, beautifully. Number 9 sentence, she met with an accident there. So here you notice met as a verb here. Okay, so now there is a adverb of place. Now number 10 sentence, the old woman spent her money foolishly. So here verb is here as a spend, so circle the word, and foolishly as an adverb here. Which kind of adverb here? As an adverb of manner, because वो अपनी मनी कैसे स्पेंड करती है, foolishly किस तरीके से स्पेंड करती है, तो तरीका आ गया, तो it is a adverb of manner. Okay student, I hope you have to understood the exercise number 2nd. So let's start the exercise number 3rd. Now, read the sentences, label the underlined adverbs, okay, which tells how often HO, and those that tells how long with HL. Okay, student. So now the first one is done for you. Number 1 is here. It is very important to always obey school rules. So here you notice we use as a how often. Consult adverb, underline the adverb which tells how often. So always is here as a tell us about the how often. How often का मतलब वो पता है ना स्टूडेंट, कितनी बार, है ना, कितनी बार जब बात करते हैं तो we use how often. And how long as a measuring or covering a large amount in a distance or time. Okay student, it's clear to you. Now in the second sentence, some students break the rules daily and do not listen to everyone. Here the word daily as we use as a how long. Okay student, now move on the next page. Number 3rd, they frequently come late to school and are often punished for this. So here frequently and often. So we frequently and often here as a how often. Now number 4th sentence, the principal reminds us weekly that we should always be punctual. हमको weekly क्या हमको remind करवाते हैं कि हमको हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए, punctual होना चाहिए. So in this line the words weekly and always as a ऐसे क्या है हमको पता चल रहा है. एज ए हाउ ऑफन, हाउ मतलब कितनी बार, एज ए हम जब वीकली की बात करते हैं, ये ऑलवेज का मतलब क्या होता है, हमेशा. यूज हाउ ऑफन. So now in the number 5th sentence, but the boys do not pay attention to what he says even for 10 seconds. So student, I'm telling you, अभी मैंने आपको बताया था while we use HL for how long. Okay student, how long, measuring or covering or large amount in a distance or a time. Here we talk about a time, 10 seconds. So we use as a how long. Okay student, I hope the exercise is clear to you. Okay, let's start the exercise number 4. Now let us test whether you can find the difference between an adverb or an adjective. The first two are done for you. So इनका हम इधर टेस्ट हो रहा है क्या, कि हमको डिफरेंस बताना है इन सेंटेंस के अंदर कि ये एडवर्ब है या एडजेक्टिव है. तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एडवर्ब एंड एडजेक्टिव. सो हियर एडजेक्टिव क्वालिफाइज द नाउन और प्रोनाउन. जो एडजेक्टिव होता है वो नाउन और प्रोनाउन की विशेषता बताता है, बट द एडवर्ब क्वालिफाइज द वर्ब. एड प्लस वर्ब, आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर. ओके, वर्ब हियर इन दिस वर्ड एडवर्ब जो वर्ब को क्या करता है, क्वालिफाई करता है, वर्ब के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करता है. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो दे आर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एडवर्ब एंड एडजेक्टिव. जहां पर जिस सेंटेंस के अंदर एज वी टॉक अबाउट ए नाउन, एज हम किसी भी नाउन की विशेषता अगर हमको बताई गई है तो वो एज एडजेक्टिव होगा. जब किसी वर्ब के बारे में डिस्क्राइब किया, उसके बारे में कुछ ज्यादा बताया गया तो वो एज ए एडवर्ब होगा. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. Number one is here, who is that little girl? So here it is an adjective. It tells more about the noun girls. Yes, I told you before. Little here ऐसे क्या है यहाँ पर? यहाँ पर जब हम बात कर रहे हैं little girl, तो little girl कैसी है? Little है, so we talk about a girl. Girl here as a noun, so it is an adjective. So now in the second sentence, he spoke little. Okay, so it is an adverb. Why it is an adverb? Because he spoke. It tells us more about the verb. Spoke ही किसके बारे में बता रहा है? More about the verb. Verb के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे. So spoke here. So little ये जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर little as adverb है and spoke here as a verb. Now in the number third sentence, the boys of our school can run fast. Okay, our school can run fast. भागते हैं, कैसे भागते हैं? Yes, run here as a verb. So fast here as a adverb. So it is an adverb. It tells us more about the verb run. जो हमको किसके बारे में बता रहा है? Verb के run के बारे में बता रहा है. ये fast किसको describe कर रहा है? Run को. Run किया है as a verb. So it is a adverb. Now in the next sentence, Roshan is a fast runner. So here it is an adjective. Why it is an adjective? Because it tells you more about the noun runner. आपको जो runner है वहाँ पे उसके बारे में आपको describe कर रहा है उसकी quality. Yes, here fast as an adjective here. Number fifth sentence, Anirush is the only son of his parents. So here it is an adjective. Why it is an adjective? Because it tells us more about the noun son. Here only क्या है? As a adjective है. और हमको किसके बारे में बता रहा है? Noun here is as a son. So son के बारे में हमको बता रहा है तो only here as a adjective. Number six sentence, do not get angry. I only wanted to help you. So here you notice that here also only. So in the number fifth sentence, we use only as an adjective because use it is more, tell us more about the son as a noun. So in the number six sentence, we talk about as a only. So only here as an adverb, whereby it is an adverb here because it tells us more about the verb wanted. जो हमको verb के बारे में बता रहे हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Adverb होते हैं. Now number 7, it is good for health to jog daily. So now the student, here we talk about the jog daily. So it is an adverb here. Jog as a jogging, आपको पता है ना, ऐसे है, आपको पता है exercise है ना. So it is a verb also here. So we talk about it is an adverb. So it tells us more about the verb jog. So here daily किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? Daily here as a we talk about the an adverb. Now number 8 sentence, there are now daily flights from Delhi to Singapore. So here it is an adjective. So here we talk about the flights, daily flights. So here flights as a noun, it tells us more about the noun. So here it is a noun. Yes, daily here as an adjective because it qualifies the noun flights. Okay. Number 9 sentence, they buy magazines which appear weekly. So here now you notice that it is an adverb here because weekly here as an adverb because it tells us more about the verb appear here as a verb here. Okay. Now, in the number 10 sentence, Outlook is a weekly magazine. So now you notice the weekly. So it is an adjective here. Weekly is here as an adjective. Why? Because it tells us more about the noun magazine. Magazine here as a क्या है? Noun है. So here we use as a weekly adjective here. Okay, students. So it is an adjective. It tells us more about the noun magazine. I hope the student you have to clear where we use as an adjective, where we use as an adverb. Okay, I hope you have to clear all this chapter. There's an adverb and its kind and its exercise. Okay, student, goodbye.